Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K65 Plus. In this video I'll show you what kind of switches this keyboard has. The Corsair K65 Plus is wireless, 75% enthusiast-style mechanical gaming keyboard designed to bridge the gap between pre-built convenience and custom keyboard quality. This keyboard is equipped with MLX Red linear switches. MLX Red linear switches come lubricated from the factory, making them feel smoother and quieter than standard cherry reds. Also, they support hot swap. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.